Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the National Guard products number 884V. This is the replacement vinyl insert only for the 884V series of bump-up style thresholds. And a replacement piece of vinyl is a very typical and common item to purchase. The vinyl is, certainly not going to be extremely durable when it comes to exposure to ultraviolet, extreme temperatures, and is not uncommon to purchase a replacement only. You will very likely need to remove your threshold from the opening so that you can slide this in from the end, I would imagine. But after that, you'd be able to probably pull out or remove the old material and slide in the new. And if it's kept from being able to come out of the end of the threshold, then I would consider the project done at that point. But if it can be pulled out, you might want to crimp that T channel or raceway that this slides into just so that it doesn't move, but crimp it in such a way that you can relieve that so that you can remove it and replace it in the future. So the 884V is a bump-up style threshold that takes this vinyl insert, some basic dimensional properties. Overall width of the item looks like it's about 0.295 inch, 0.295. The height of the T portion alone, 0.246. 0.246 just here between my thumb and index finger, 0.246. The thickness of that item, just for the sake of archiving the data, be about 0.048. The thickness of that alone, 0.048. Okay, so those dimensions are there to help determine whether or not this is a reasonable substitution for your item. Clearly they don't put names engraved or etched onto thresholds. So one way that the primary way or means by which we identify material is dimensionally and of course visually. If your item looks like this, and if your item basically measures this sort of size, then it's likely that it will fit in. Now, you can usually fit vinyl into something that it's not necessarily intended to go into, although that can be quite a chore to be sure. The overall height of the bump-up style replacement is 0.33 inch. 0.33 inch. Okay. Now there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the National Guard products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. The name National Guard is quite synonymous with all things weather stripping related. And this material is sold per foot, so you'll see it listed in the site in lots of different lengths. You might basically say, well, I've got 20 thresholds rather than ordering 23-foot lengths. You can order the 12-inch version and then just simply indicate that you want to have 60 continuous feet, or in the comment field type, ship this in a continuous roll at 60 feet in length. Whatever, however you want to break that up. This happens to be a 60-inch length. Any questions on the National Guard products? Replacement vinyl only in gray for the 884V bump-up style threshold, or any other National Guard product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.